Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to the step-by-step tutorial on how to solve the exercises for the textbook Microeconomics Theory and Applications with Calculus, the 5th edition. Today, we will address the last 3 problems about the conditions for price discrimination. Let's see exercise 1.6. Why did Ford require Canadian dealers to sign an agreement that prohibited moving vehicles to the United States? The restriction facilitates international price discrimination. Ford charges U.S. consumers a higher price than Canadian consumers for the same product. The prohibition prevents Canadian customers from reselling cars to U.S. customers. Resale prevention is a requirement for effective price discrimination. Let's solve exercise 1.7. Hertz and other car rental companies charge much more for rentals of luxury cars such as Ferraris and Bentleys than for compact cars such as the Toyota Yaris or Chevrolet Sonic. Is this practice an example of price discrimination? Explain. No, not all price differences are price discrimination. The rental difference reflects the different costs of different products or services. It is not price discrimination because the firm sells different goods. Price discrimination is charging consumers different prices for the same good based on individual characteristics of consumers, on membership on an identifiable subgroup of consumers, or on the quantity purchased by the consumers. Let's find answers to exercise 1.8. The European Commission charged 6 US studios and a UK pay television company, Sky UK, with unfairly blocking access to fields and other content. The charges challenged the studios' requirement under contracts that Sky UK block access for consumers outside Britain and Ireland. The studios have separate contracts with broadcasters in other countries. Why do the studios want such restrictions? The restriction facilitates group price discrimination. The studios can charge the consumers inside Britain and Ireland differently from consumers in other countries. Thank you for solving the exercises with me today. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.